This is the NOAA weather radio station WXS-54, broadcasting from the National Weather Service in Wilmington, Ohio, on a frequency of 162.450 MHz. Here are the noon observations. In Cleveland, clear skies. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Ohio Police Department. A blue alert has been declared for John Sametto. He is 22 years old, 9.1 inches tall and weighs 140 pounds. He is wanted for commenting homicide to 4 police officers. He was last seen driving a 2014 Dodge Challenger. No license plate. If you have any information, please call 614-645-4545.